Okay, so we're gonna go into the, I don't know why I'm sniffling so much. It's because I'm mentally crying, honestly.
Most about it, she isn't just one thing. So much larger than that.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is a wig, but I'm not bald-headed, so don't get it twisted. And yes, I do have only one hand done and one hand not done because I'm not ambidextrous like that. So also I'm just very lazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Apple Jordan, and today, as you can see from the title of this video, I am very depressed. So we are going to be doing a makeup look so I can feel pretty again and not depressed, because we love pushing things under the rug. That's my thing. Also, this wig is kind of messed up, but I'll explain that later, maybe, or maybe not. Yeah, I know this looks really big and crazy, but it's whatever. Let's just get into the video. So, I don't know what kind of look, well, I do know what kind of look I'm going for, but like, it's gonna be like a deep blue, kind of 60s makeup kind of looking type look, you know, because I love those looks. We start with hydrating our lips, and then where's, it's in this drawer. You already know this is my favorite eye cream. You know what? Whatever. So it's the C Tango multivitamin eye cream by Drunk Elephant, and I love it so much. We're gonna put that underneath our eyes because that's the only primer that I really use. And yeah, listen, honey, I don't believe in wrinkles, so wrinkles won't come to me. Anyways, this is my favorite primer right now, after Tatcha, the Tatcha silk, you know that, you know the primer. This is my second favorite primer. I use this all the time whenever I go to modeling thingamajings. Whenever they're like, come with your base on, I put this underneath. It's the Milani Prime Perfection face primer, and it is good. I have dry skin, so this makes my skin not too dry, not too oily, but like it gives it a good like kind of look, you know what I mean? Okay, like that. Think, since I'm going for, let's switch things up and start with my my eyes first, because we did not do that last time, so we're gonna do it this time. Let's get closer. Okay, now that we're close, but not too close, because no. So we're going to do what I normally do, which is my concealer. And you guys know which one I use. The Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer has super coverage, and I use this one in the shade Natural Beige, which is really light for me, but right now I haven't tanned or haven't left the house, so it's perfect for me. Yeah, so we're gonna put that on. You guys might be wondering why I'm very depressed, stressed, not feeling too blessed. Well, I feel blessed all the time because I am blessed, but I'm feeling a little bit sad. Basically, like, this week has been really hard for me because I have to do a lot of, like, I'm doing a lot of things for, not just for myself, but for kids at my school too. Like, there's a lot of stuff going on because of people working at, or the COVID situation, because honestly guys, COVID isn't over yet, and I know I'm like super right now, but so there's a lot of people who are still online and they're struggling because like we're not getting as much help as we feel like we could be getting, you know. So yeah, I'm just kind of like, I'm communicating with the district and with my principal, and that makes me very anxious because I have a lot of bad experiences with people who are in positions of authority. So this is making me crazy anxious, and people are not really counting on me, but like they're kind of like looking up to me and hoping that I do something that can like change the way that things are going right now. And that, like, I'm thankful that everybody is like trusting in me, but it's a lot of pressure right now, and especially with trying to keep my grades up and things like that. And yeah. But I'm just naturally an anxious person, so that's the reason why. But that's what's making me so stressed right now. Anyways, so now that we look really, really crazy and redonkulous, we're gonna go in with my powder. It's the I'm pretty sure it's the Airspun. That one. It's that one. So we're gonna put this all over my eyelids because yes, you know. Okay. I've thought about it. So I'm gonna start with just going straight into the blue, because this is gonna be a blue look, because this is the kind of look that I'm trying to go for, but I don't have that kind of blue. So we're gonna do a little bit of a darker color, a darker blue, but it will still be similar. And we're going into my favorite Morphe palette, the 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. And we're going into this side of the palette. So we're gonna go into maybe one of these matte shades, maybe this one, this one, this one. We're gonna go into this shade right here, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Everywhere, just basically everywhere. All this trash he carrying on, there's a reason that he's gone. You know we're right on positive. So we're gonna use this kind of half eyeshadow brush, but it's like a pack. I use it as a packer brush. Honestly, I'm not booty, but I'm not a beauty guru, but I do know stuff about makeup, some stuff about makeup. Let me go into this one, and we're gonna pack this onto our lid. We're going in on it, okay guys? This is not for the faint of heart. That's basically what we're gonna do for the whole lid. We're going in. I've committed. I'm committed. Now we're gonna get a little fluffy brush, like my favorite eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna go into this color over here, this one, and we're gonna go in and like fuzz out the edge. You know what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna, let me get my little mirror. We're just gonna fuzz out the edge of our look. My favorite decade or era is the 60s, minus the racism, obviously. I mean, I always have to say minus the racism because everyone's like, you do know what? And I'm like, I do know. Like, I love history. Because I just love, like, the way they dressed in all these different eras. Like, y'all cannot tell me that, like, some of these people were not kicking it with the fits. Like, I'm telling you, y'all are, like, everybody's obsessed with the 90s. Let me be obsessed with the 1600s. Like, corsets. Honestly, if I could wear a corset, I would wear a corset every single day. But I don't, because I'm pretty sure my mom would flip. She'd be like, a corset? What are you doing? I love my mom. Okay, so I'm happy with how this is looking right now. So we're gonna clean up the excess up here and yeah, make it a little bit cleaner. Sorry, now we're going to line my crease. I don't know which eyeliner I'm gonna use because I have a lot of eyeliners, but I don't use eyeliners because I don't know how to do liner. So I don't know how this look is gonna come out, but we're gonna try. I think I might use like an angled brush and then do it because like I don't know how to use a pen on my eyes, honestly. I do have the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, which is very good, but I'm gonna use that for my actual eyes and not my this part, because ew, this part needs to be precise. So I'm gonna keep my eyes open while I do this because your eyes aren't gonna be closed when you're walking around, you know? So don't be an idiot. Open your eyes, look straight up, look straight forward. and then draw the line. That did not work. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just go in with a regular liner. Like, I don't even know what brand it is. I think I got it from like a friend's birthday party, like back when I was friends with them. But did I lie though? That was scary to do, honestly. So we're gonna destroy it basically. So we're gonna mash the gel liner, eyeliner, Sephora one, and we're gonna mash it on our hand and basically make it into like a paste essentially. It does not look half bad. I just need to make the line a little bit thicker and then I'll be back. Okay, we're back. They're sort of similar. So what we're gonna do next is actually we're gonna go onto my brows. So we're gonna flip the brush on the other side and use the spoolie side of this to brush my brows just straight up. Excuse the wig. She's looking a little stupid today. I don't know why she's doing that thing. There's actually a hole in the lace right here. But yeah, don't worry guys. I'm not gonna be wearing a wig in the next video. My eyebrows have a mind of their own. So we're gonna take the same eyeliner because I don't own any brow products. Oops. Because I don't know how to do eyebrows. So we're gonna just do the feather brow look, kind of like a model look. Because, you know, I'm a model. Honestly, I miss doing modeling, no cap. I don't know why I say no cap. Like, that's so disgusting. I'm not gonna stop though, no cap. Anyway, so we're just gonna do strokes. Just like that. Just like that. Right there. Because my eyebrows are right thin on the ends. As you can tell. As you can see. I kind of like my eyebrows to not really be there. Even though every single makeup artist feels the need to give me a brand new set of eyebrows. Which I'm not complaining about. But it's just, I feel like I look better without eyebrows. Okay, so now that we're done with that part, we're gonna go and do the actual liner. So before I do that, I'm gonna actually like pack on the blue eyeshadow again. Oh, found it. Kat Von disease. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go into the, I don't know why I'm sniffling so much. It's because I'm mentally crying, honestly. But yeah, so we're gonna just line our eyes. So I'm gonna keep my eyes like this, and we're just gonna go and create a straight line like that. Simple, easy, right? So now we're going to connect it. I'm sorry for dripping, but dripping's what I do. Tell me why this side looks better but worse. Great. So now we're gonna just thicken this line up and then call it a day because I'm tired. Okay, so I just finished going over with this, the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Yeah, this is the sample size because I can't afford the real size. Actually, I can't afford anything that I have on my face. So I'm gonna start putting on my lashes and then, yeah, there we go. That took way too much time. So we're gonna kind of speed through. So now that we're done with the eyes, it's on time for the face. Since we did kind of just wipe off all of our primer basically from underneath our eyes, we're gonna take a little bit and put it right back on because yes, we need a good priming base for our face. I am loving how this is looking. We are not done though, because you see her eyes, there's something else that we're missing from the eyes. Don't you see it? Can you tell? Exactly, the under part. So we're gonna go in with our palette again, and we're gonna go into the blue shade that we just went into. We're gonna mix this one and this one together, and we're gonna put it underneath our eyes. To do the little wispy thingamajiggs, since I don't want to waste a pair of lashes by cutting them, we are just going to mascara, the underneath of our eyelashes. So I like to use my two favorite mascaras that I use naturally on my natural lashes is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear lash or mascara. You can actually get this at the dollar store, so it is very affordable, very cheap, and it lasts a long time, and it makes your lashes look very beautiful. And also I like to use the Bad Girl or Bad Gal Bang mascara, and I don't know why I have such a country accent right now, but it looks like this. This is the sample size because of course I can't afford the real thing, as I said before, because I'm broke. Okay, so I know the lighting keeps changing, but I'm using just my softbox right now, and I feel like this is the best lighting, and my room is blue, so yeah, that's probably why it looks a little bit strange. But I'm loving how this is looking. So we're gonna just take our mascara and just go underneath and just go do what you normally do with your under eyelashes. So I just put some white eyeliner pencil underneath my eyes, and we're not done yet. So we're gonna do some lips, and then we're basically gonna be done. Okay, so one thing I found in common with all of the looks that have sort of this kind of 60s vibe is that they all have nude lips or sort of pinkish nude type lip. So I'm trying to decide if I want to look at pinkish nude or like just a regular nude. This is a Wet n Wild Color Icon lip pencil in the shade Brandy Wine. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, so we're just gonna line my lips with this. The only gloss that I have is actually a lip plumper. So it's a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme lip gloss. So whatever, nothing wants to focus. So we're gonna put this on.
This is that once in a lifetime.
So yeah, this is the final look, guys. Like, this is so good. Like I saw this is crazy. I'm so in love with this look, honestly, guys. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click the subscribe button. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like this look and learn some new makeup tricks, sort of, kind of, maybe. And let me know if you guys what you guys want to see next in my next video. And yeah. So all I want you guys to know is that you need to stay true, stay you, and stay beautiful. I love you guys, and bye. See you guys in the next video.